Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy. It's been so long, I have missed you all so much, and in today's video I am sharing Paris themed DIYs and I'm super excited to share them with you. So let's begin with DIY number 1. So for the first DIY, I'm making decoupage art, and for that I have taken this decoupage paper. This is a Paris themed decoupage paper. It had all the beautiful quotes and pictures related to Paris. So I have cut out two Eiffel Towers and a quote. With the help of decoupage glue, I'm going to just spread it all around the candle, and I'm going to very carefully, as because the decoupage paper is very thin, I'm just going to place it at the center like so, and spread up the glue with the help of the brush and make everything very smooth and even. Very gently with my finger I am trying to spread out any excess glue that is behind the decoupage paper, and this enables any of the bubbles or anything that is left behind to be gone, and it's finally glued properly. Next I'm going to glue the Eiffel Towers on either sides. I've taken a very minimal design for my candle. I'm not going very extravagant for the pattern, and yet if you want to add more details to the candle and or any other surface that you want to decoupage. Decoupage basically means to decorate with paper and other cutouts on any surface, and then coating it with varnish or Mod Podge glue. So basically here I'm doing the same thing. I've just cut images from the decoupage paper of this Eiffel Tower, and I'm gluing it on the surface of the candle like so. And with the help of the Mod Podge glue, I'm going to seal it off as a top coat as well. And here my beautiful candle that is Paris themed is ready. You can see how pretty it looks. Absolutely changed from a simple white candle to a beautiful Paris themed candle. I think I am just loving how easy this was to make and how stunning it looks now. Have you tried decoupage on candles? Do let me know in the comment section below if you have. And I totally loved this process. And today I'm participating in the Meet Me in Paris challenge, and it's hosted by Brenda from Mona's Market, and the co-host for today is Sarah from Sunflowers and DIYing. I have linked the channels of these two amazing creators along with the playlist in the description box below. Don't forget to check out the playlist. And now I have started my DIY number 2, and for that I have taken this canvas paper, and I'm just spreading a lot of water with the help of a flat brush. And next I have taken some pink acrylic paint, and I'm just going to uh, spread it evenly over the entire surface of the canvas. So here we don't want a perfect shade of pink, we just want a little bit of shading of light and dark pink here and there. So here I'm making the base paper ready for the next decoupage project, and in this second DIY I'm going to make Paris fashion art, and it's inspired by the street fashion of Paris. So here my base is almost ready, and I'm going to start decoupaging on this once the entire paint is completely dry. So here I have taken few cutouts from the decoupage paper, and with the help of some water on the brush I'm just spreading it on the edges of the decoupage paper and very gently peeling off the paper that has been wet, so that we don't get those sharp edges. And I want a very blunt edge. I want those ripped edges, so that when I paste this image on the paper, it looks like it's already blended onto the base. Doesn't stand out that it's been cut from some paper and it's just glued. So this cutout needs to be a part of the base, is what I'm trying to achieve as a look. So with very gentle pressure I'm just going to glue this cutout onto the base and spread the paper evenly so that there are no bubbles. So once the image is carefully glued onto the base, next I'm going to take some more decoupage glue and I'm going to spread it all over on top of the image, and this way the image gets sealed up on the base. And since the decoupage is clear, so it won't be visible, and it gives a nice shiny effect also on the images. So similarly, I'm taking some more images and I'm just going to rip off the edges just like how I showed earlier, and I'm going to glue one by one in order to make the kind of street fashion art that I'm making over here. I'm going to cut off any excess paper that is not required in the art, and I'm going to seal everything with one coat of Mod Podge from the top as well. And here you can see one by one how I'm placing the images. Now I already put the frame on because I wanted to place the images exactly how I would want them to appear on the frame. So keeping some distance from all the four sides, now I know where to place the images one by one. And here I'm putting all the little pieces, just tearing them off the decoupage paper and one by one placing it on the surface and then sealing it with the decoupage glue. The next thing to keep in mind is that there should be no odd edges visible that look like a paper is glued. So I'm just trying to blend the base as much as possible onto the images that I have glued on. So here you can see that the base color of pink has been spread all around, and it looks like this is an entire one picture. So after a coat of Mod Podge, I found that the image was a slightly hazy. So I took some acrylic paint and I did some outlines and top coats for the image to pop up, and here is how it looks, and I am really loving it how it turned out. Do let me know how you like both the DIYs of today and which out of the two was your favorite. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching today's video, and please do subscribe to my channel. And thanks a lot for watching, it means the world to me. Take good care of yourself and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.